Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to send PayPal to Bitcoin. This process typically involves an indirect method because direct transfers are not supported. You will need to use a third-party cryptocurrency exchange to facilitate the conversion. We will cover selecting a reliable exchange, funding your account, and safely acquiring your Bitcoin. Understanding each step ensures a smooth and secure transaction, protecting your digital assets throughout the journey. You cannot directly send money from your PayPal account to a Bitcoin wallet, which is an important limitation to understand. This is due to the operating policies of both PayPal and most cryptocurrency platforms. Therefore, we must use a trusted intermediary, usually a cryptocurrency exchange, that accepts PayPal as a payment method. This exchange will act as a bridge, allowing you to convert your PayPal funds into Bitcoin securely and effectively. When choosing a crypto exchange, it is crucial to select one that specifically supports PayPal for deposits. Look for platforms renowned for their robust security protocols, ensuring your funds and personal information remain protected. Always compare the fees associated with deposits and Bitcoin purchases, as these can vary significantly across exchanges. Reading user reviews and checking their customer support responsiveness can also provide valuable insights into reliability. First, sign up for an account on your selected exchange and complete any required identity verification, often called KYC, which is essential for security. Next, link your PayPal account to the exchange and deposit the funds you wish to convert, usually a minimum of $10 or $20. Once your funds are credited, navigate to the trading section to purchase Bitcoin. Finally, for enhanced security, transfer your newly acquired Bitcoin from the exchange to a personal, private Bitcoin wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.